Experiencing your Escort radar detector losing settings? You're not alone. This issue is common in older models like the Passport 9500iX and Redline series. This problem typically stems from issues with the device's memory storage. These devices use EEPROM, which stands for Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. They rely on a small internal battery to retain your custom configurations like alert tones, sensitivity levels, and filters. When the battery depletes or power is interrupted, settings can be lost. Sometimes firmware bugs can also trigger this issue. A primary culprit behind settings not saving is a dead or dying internal lithium-ion battery, often a CR232 type. Without sufficient power, the EEPROM memory chip cannot retain data during a reboot or power cycle. Sudden power loss, such as disconnecting your car battery, can also trigger settings resets. This happens when the EEPROM isn't properly isolated during power interruptions, causing data corruption. Additionally, buggy firmware updates can sometimes overwrite existing settings. If the update process isn't handled correctly, it may corrupt or erase the stored configurations in the EEPROM. Modern detectors use NAND flash memory, which is more reliable and reduces the risk of these issues. This newer technology doesn't depend on batteries for data retention and is less prone to corruption. Before considering more complex solutions, try a hard reset. This usually involves holding down specific buttons on your detector for 5 to 10 seconds until it resets to factory defaults. After the reset, reconfigure your settings. Refer to your user manual for the exact button combination. If that doesn't work, replacing the internal battery with a fresh, high-quality one, like a Panasonic CR2032, is often the next best step. After replacing the battery, calibrate the detector through the Escort app. When basic fixes aren't enough, advanced solutions like EEPROM flashing may be required. In severe cases where the EEPROM chip itself is corrupted, this process rewrites the memory using specialized tools. The EEPROM flashing process involves using professional tools to reprogram the chip, restoring its functionality, and preserving your custom settings. For models purchased after 2024, this repair is typically covered under warranty, making it a cost-effective solution. If other methods fail, consider professional repair services unless you have the necessary expertise and equipment for working with microelectronics. In 2024, the Passport 9500iX experienced a widespread settings loss issue following a firmware update. Thousands of users reported complete wipes of their custom configurations, including alert tones and sensitivity levels. Escort responded with a recall program, replacing EEPROM chips free of charge for affected units. Another example occurred in 2025 with the Redline 11 model. A driver in Florida reported repeated settings resets during long road trips. Investigation revealed a faulty capacitor in the device's power circuit, which caused memory corruption. Escort provided a replacement unit, emphasizing the critical role of hardware quality control in preventing storage failures. On a positive note, the Passport Max 2 with integrated app syncing has shown remarkable improvement. Early adopters report 0 instances of settings loss, even after battery changes. The Escort Live app automatically restores all configurations instantly, boosting user satisfaction ratings from 3.8 to 4.5 stars on Amazon. This demonstrates the effectiveness of cloud-based solutions in eliminating local storage vulnerabilities. Experts suggest that earlier storage issues were linked to cost-effective memory components. Radar detection specialists emphasize cloud backup is a game changer. Escort plans to eliminate battery-dependent EEPROM by 2028 using SSD-like storage. Gartner predicts a 25% reduction in radar detector complaints by 2030, thanks to AI-assisted diagnostics that auto-restore settings. As of early 2026, a class action lawsuit against Escort was settled, mandating free repairs for affected units. To summarize, settings loss in Escort radar detectors often comes down to battery issues, power interruptions, or firmware bugs. Keep your device updated, consider battery replacement, and back up your settings via the Escort Live app if your model supports it. These steps can prevent future headaches and keep your detector working reliably. If your device is still under warranty, contact Escort support for potential repairs or replacements.